Ayun nga po guys, welcome sa first episode ng ating Diocese episode 1. Alam niyo po ang may babahagi lang namin sa inyo. Masaya kami sapagkat muli kami nagkita-kita ng ating tinawagan, ng ating mga kakampi. Kami na po makikilala nila sila sa court. At ang isa pa ipapakilala namin ay yung aming makakaharap at balitang-balita na ito talaga mahuhusay. Kahit may edad na sila, nakikita mo pa rin yung gameness nila. Mamaya sa laban ay very kumbaga parang may konting kaba kasi hindi natin alam kung dati na silang makakasama. Anyway, then today, habol natin yung magpapawis, maging masaya, friends, connection, at magkumustahan muli. Dahil nung kami mga bata, kami rin yung nag-aharap. Hali po kayo at panoorin natin ang magandang paghaharap ng Team Edge of Santa Maria, Bulacan, and Team Longhair of May Kawayan. Gumaray decided for a drive, past the Pascual for a 2-foot jumper, good for 2. Longhair passed to an open teammate for a wide open 3, no good. Rebound by Del Rosario. Pascual easy lay in, no good, and there is Del Rosario for a putback. What a big offensive rebound for Del Rosario. Kyrie pass the shooter, fakes, drives, jumper, good. Jerome contested, deflected, but still make it the pass to Del Rosario for an open shot. Oh, but still pass to Pascual and Kyrie steals it. Kyrie using his speed finds a wide open shooter for an easy 3-pointer. Doesn't make it, but Kyrie still there for the rebound. Pass to his teammate. Teammate back to Kyrie for an easy 2-point. What a good play. Pascual focusing, decided to make a right hand 3-point open shot. Del Rosario with a big screen, no good. But Pascual is there for a big rebound, another good for 2 points for Mr. Pascual. Shooter, pass to Kyrie, dribble, sets play. Pass to his teammate on the right for a 3-point, but deflected by Mr. Pascual. Shooter to the jumper, no good. Rebound again by Del Rosario. Pass to Gumada for a set of play. Finds Jerome. Runs. Double team. Jumper. No good. But Mr. Pascual again is there for a 2-point follow-up jumper. Nice play. Shooter for a wide open 3. Miss. Rebound again by Pascual. Pascual finds Jerome for a transition play. Jerome decided for a jumper, but a quick defense by Shooter contested and blocked. Now Shooter is running, sets the play, finds a cutting teammate, deflected, regains the ball, finds another teammate for an open 3-point. No good. Rebound by Del Rosario. Team Longhair decided for a 3. No good. Rebound by Shooter. Quick pass to his teammate in the back door. Decided for a jumper. Fakes. Pass to his teammate. Deflected by Jerome. Now Jerome is setting the play. Using his speed. Goes to the left. Dribbles. Calculating. Decided to make for the jumper. No good. Big rebound by Shooter. Now Team Longhair is for the attack. Deflected by Gumatay. Edward coming from substitution. Going straight from the free throw line for the jumper. Good. Now Shooter running the play. Behind the back. Pass to Kyrie for a turnover. Sabas inbound the ball, pass to Edward. Decided to make a pass to Del Rosario in the middle. That was good for a 2-point. Now Shooter for the inbound. Gives to Kyrie for the set of play. Pass again to the Shooter for a long open 3. No good. Rebound by Gumatay for a transition pass, break pass to Sabas, and another good for 2. Team Longhair again for 3, no good. Rebound by Gumatay. Another transition pass again to Sabas. Sabas almost from the outside. Decided for a long layup. Good for 2. Now, Team Eds are enjoying an 8-0 run after Edward has been substituted. Now, Kyrie of Team Longhair decided for a long three, still doesn't make it. Shooter for the rebound, tap to the center court. Ball remains on Team Longhair now. 3-pointer pass to Longhair for a long three, good. Now, Edward holds the ball, finds an open Sabas for a wide open three, doesn't make it. Gumatay for the offensive rebound and a possible 2-point putback. What a good play again. Now, Team Longhair for the run. Pass to an open shooter. Fakes, drives, jump, double team, but still makes a shot. Now, Edward sets the play. Crossover goes to his left. Stops, sets, find an open Sabas in the middle. Good for two. Kyrie for the attack, drop pass to shooter, good for two. Kyrie again for the steal. Dribble, crossover, goes to his right, and then attack, drop pass to his teammate, good for two again for Team Longhair. Now Edward sets the play, finds Del Rosario. Del Rosario decided for a 3-point shot, fakes, find an open Sabas in the middle, goes for the shot, doesn't make it, and Edward is there for a follow-up. End of the first half. Start of the second half. Rebound by Pascual. Pass to Gumatay to set the play. Team Eds 22, Team Longhair 13. Gumatay setting the plays but decided to go to left. Pass to Jerome, coming from a fresh start from the bench for two. Good. Now, Team Longhair decided for a drive. Doesn't make it. Rebound by Gumatay. Oh, what a transition pass to Gumasing. Now, Edward decided to make a drive. Reverse. Make it. Count for two. Now, Team Longhair decided for a long three. Doesn't make it. Cut by Kyrie. Decided to again for three. No good. Rebound by Team Longhair and makes the 2-point. Now, Team Longhair again for the rebound. The captain, Longhair, pass to Kyrie to set the play. Now, Kyrie decided to pass again to Longhair for a long three. Good. The captain, Longhair, for a 5-0 run, making it 26-18 favor of Team Eds. Now, Jerome rescues the ball. Decided to go to the left. Decided to make for the play. Fakes, go to his right, fakes again, hesitate, jumps, good! He nailed it. Now, Team Longhair for the inbound. Almost 1 minute remaining in the quarter. Screen by Longhair, the captain, pass to an open 3-point on the left, no good! Rebound again by Pascual, and I think that will be it. Team Eds survived the game by score of 28-18. Ayun nga po guys, isang napakagandang paghaharap sa unang pagkakataon ang Team Longhair of May Kawayan, Bulacan at ang Team Eds ng Santa Maria, Bulacan. Yan pa man sa huli ay isang magandang pictura ng nangyari at konting salo-salo ng makakain at kung ano-ano pang mga gawain. Sana po ay nagustuhan niyo ang aming content at marami pang susunod nawa ng mga laro ang aming ipapakita sa inyo. God bless! Special thanks din nga pala kay Mr. Longhair ng Alamat ng May Kawayan. Hindi lamang po ito magaling sa pagbabasketball. Ito rin na isa sa pinakamahusay magagamba sa kanilang lugar. Anyway, that will be a part of his legacy and in behalf din sa kanyang mga kasamahan. Muli, sana ay magkita-kita pa rin tayo.